Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll start by confirming essentials: headset charged, PC running the latest Synapse, and either Bluetooth enabled or the USB dongle ready. First, plug the dongle into a rear USB port or switch your PC's Bluetooth on. This reduces pairing conflicts. Once done, open Synapse and sign in to your Razer account so profiles sync. Make sure Windows privacy settings allow Bluetooth and device access. Now you're set to move into pairing. This next step connects the hardware to Synapse and you'll now pair the Barracuda X so Synapse recognizes it. Put the headset into pairing mode by holding the power button until the LED flashes quickly. Then in Synapse, click Devices, Add Device, and select Barracuda X from the list. If you're using the dongle, Synapse usually connects automatically. With Bluetooth, choose the PC's Bluetooth menu and pair the headset. Make sure to accept any permission prompts so Synapse can manage audio and updates. Once paired, Synapse pulls firmware and profile options for customization. Finish by updating the headset firmware inside Synapse. This ensures stability and unlocks features like EQ and mic enhancements. Apply a saved or custom audio profile and run the device test. Play audio, record a mic clip, and toggle surround sound to confirm behavior. If Synapse doesn't show the Barracuda X, restart your PC, reinsert the dongle, or remove and re-add the device. If issues persist, uninstall then reinstall Synapse. That clears corrupt settings and usually resolves stubborn connection problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.